Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be detailing the 370Z because it's absolutely minging, and we're also going to be doing a little bit of a product review because I've bought a load of new stuff. So let's get into it. Here we have citrus pre-wash, pest control, bug and bird muck remover, palette cleanser, which is Cola Car, which is their premium car shampoo and it smells like cola. The blueberry deep dish wheel cleaner, Concourse cocktail, which is their all-in-one show level detail, which they say can be used in all weather conditions and will not smear. So we'll definitely try that out. Alright, so we are going to be using the 3 bucket method. Wheels, wash, rinse. Make sure you've got your grit guards in, just to catch any of that grit and stop it from getting back into your wash mitt. So take the shampoo that you're going to be using, put it into the bucket, and then add your water. Alright, first of all we're going to be washing the wheels. So we have this, which is a pump sprayer with a snow foam end. So we're going to take a little bit of snow foam, put it in here, add some water, and we'll use that to spray on the wheels after we've added our wheel cleaner. We just add a little bit of lubrication to it so we're not scratching the wheels. The citrus blend is a foaming pre-wash. You could use this alternative to the snow foam for your wheels, but I've just opted to just use the snow foam anyway. Get your wheel cleaner, get your bucket, snow foam, and your tools. So here I'm just rinsing off any loose dirt before we put any products on the wheels. Get your wheel cleaner and spray it all over the wheel. Make sure you get inside the barrels, calipers. Take your snow foam and just spray it all over the wheel. Then take a little detailing brush and get into all the little gaps and around the wheel nuts, and don't forget the rim of where the tyre is. Then clean your tyres with a stiffer brush. Then with a wheel brush get into the barrel and behind the brake caliper. Then take a wheel wash mitt and do the spokes and behind the spokes and the face of the spokes. Now we clean the wheels, we're going to jet wash all the loose dirt off the car because there's no point in putting product on dirt that can come off with just water. Now we'll spray our bug and bird muck remover all over the car where it needs it. We'll use citrus blend just to help the snow foam a little bit, get that stubborn dirt off. Now it's everyone's favourite time, the snow foam. Never forget your petrol cap. Spray a bit of pre-wash in there. Then get a detailing brush and give it a good clean in here. Whilst the snow foam is dwelling, we'll get the detailing brush and just get in all the little gaps that a wash mitt wouldn't get to. The next step, with your 2 buckets, get a nice clean wash mitt, get some soap on it, and then start at the top of the vehicle, working your way down, working in straight lines, and do a pan at a time and then into your rinse, wash off all the dirt, back into your soap and carry on. Do mine next if you want. Oh yeah, good one. Yeah, in a bit. I'm going to rinse off each panel in between, just because it isn't really the best time to be cleaning the car today because the sun's at its highest and it's just absolutely blazing on the car. So we'll do this in between panels. Now we're going to dry the car, and what I like to do is get the quick detailer, spray it on your towel, spray it on the car. Well, it wasn't wrong. These panels are red hot. No smears. That was so easy to do. Review of these products from the Detail Kitchen. They are good. The wheel cleaner especially is really good. It got the wheels very clean with minimal effort. The snow foam is great. It's not too thick and it does pull all the dirt off of the car. The products smell nice. The Kohler car was very good. It was very suddy and it did a real nice job of cleaning. The bug and bird muck remover did an excellent job, and today it's been 30 degrees and I was cleaning the car around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I sprayed the quick detailer on the paint directly and it didn't smear at all. The link for the Detail Kitchen is in the description below. Definitely go check them out.